Good evening, children. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Hi, children. Good evening. I remember we finished this one in the last class, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me know this one. What is the last question we completed?
Ma'am, the question before this, the one that you had shown.
This one, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Fine. Yeah. So this is in fact, I've been doing questions from NCRT only. Word problems I've been doing from NCRT. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. So this
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
I think,
You did mention. You told that the language, it's like NCRT hasn't changed for so many years, and the language is still the old same language.
okay. Thank you. Yeah, right. Yeah. Yes, children. So this is 2.2, question number 1. So this question says, see, so now NCRT, it's going to be only me talking, and you from the receiving end, you just have to understand what I'm saying, and then I'll prepare a bunch of questions where I will not talk. So you will, get the chance to read, understand, and help me with the assumption statements, the equations, and how to go about solving them. So you will get your turn. So now I'm talking. So let's understand, how we go about word problems. And then once you have a good knowledge about this, then will be your turn. I'll only prepare the questions and I'll keep quiet, and it'll be you who will be teaching me how to answer the questions. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you subtract half from a number, see here. So half of a number is different from half from a number. Half from a number is only half. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, after from whatever comes is supposed to be written first in the equation. So it is the number which has to be written first in the equation.
Yeah, that's right. But I'm trying to clarify something else. I'm trying to give the difference between half of a number and half from a number. Half of a number is like, what is the half? What is half of 10? What is half of 10?
5.
5. So half of 10. Half of 10. Meaning half of 10, meaning half into 10, which is 5. But when we say half from a number, is half itself. Half itself. So half from a number meaning, I'm saying half, when it is just half, it is only 1/2. If it is half of a number, then it is half of that number x. So sometimes it will be 1/4. Sometimes it will be 1/4 of a number. Half of a number. So 1/4 is just 1/4. 1/4 of a number is not 1/4. It is 1/4 of 1/4 of something. So if that number is 100, 1/4 of 100 is 25. But in certain places it will be 1/4. 1/4 itself, the value 1/4 itself. See, the value 1/4 is different from 1/4 of something. 1/4 of 40 is 10. It's not 1/4. 1/4 of 40 is 10. But 1/4 is 1/4 itself, meaning it's 0.25. You all understand. Half of half is 1/4. When you make half into 2 equal halves, it is 1/4 each. So that's where we have to be careful. We need to understand if the question says half itself or half of something. Okay. Here, if you subtract half from a number, so half itself, the value 1/2 itself, if you subtract half from a number, And so how do you subtract half from a number? So whatever is after, so let the number be x. Let the number be x. Be x. If you subtract half from a number, so whenever you subtract after this word from, whatever you see after the word from, so from a number, so that number is x, and you're subtracting half, so minus half, and multiply the result. This is only the result. This is only the result. And if you multiply this result by 1 by 2, you get, that means is equal to 1 by 8. So this is the equation. This is the equation. Subtract half from a number. Half is half itself. And from a number, that number is x. Subtract means minus. Now, which one to write first? Should you write half or x? So whenever it is subtraction, whatever comes after from we have a number. So you should write that number first, and then minus half. So let's do it again. Let the number be x. So this is the number. If you subtract half and multiply the result, this is only the result. If you multiply this result by 1 by 2, you get, that means it's equal to 1 by 8. What is the number? So how do we solve this? X minus half is equal to 1 by 8. This 1 by 2 from this side, when you transpose 1 by 2, it's into here. So it goes for division. That is, it becomes its reciprocal on the other side. It'll become 2 by 1. It's in multiplication here. So on the other side, it goes for division. Division meaning you can write its reciprocal straight away. So it'll be into 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 on the other side. It becomes 2 by 1 on the other side. So 8 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So you have x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now again transpose. Minus 1 by 2 becomes plus 1 by 2 on the other side. So x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. X is equal to 4 is a common denominator, 1 plus 2, which is 3 by 4. So the required number is 3 by 4. Please write down, children.
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
1 plus 1 is 2, no, ma'am. How can it be? Oh, sorry, no. Okay, sorry.
No problem.
Ma'am, even I have the same doubt. Can you please
Yeah,
clarify
please
that?
ask. Yeah, please ask. Yeah. What's your doubt? This part, huh?
No, ma'am, the next line.
Have I gone wrong? 1 second. 1 plus, yeah. What's your doubt? Yeah, 1 minute. With the addition, is it? Like how to find 1 by 4, 1 plus this one, is it?
I was like, how did 1 plus 2 come so quickly? That's
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Is the common denominator 4?
Yes.
Okay. So into 1, right?
Oh, okay. You did it that way. Okay, ma'am. You wrote it straight away. Okay.
Ma'am, I did it another way, but the answer is still the same.
Another way, for this one, there is no other way. Oh, you multiplied half with all the, no, you multiplied half with the terms in the bracket, is it?
No, ma'am. I did x minus 1 by 2, so I took the LCM and then I did that. Then I took 1 by 2 to the right hand side. Then yes.
Yeah,
So
I understand.
then I
Already
did
done.
cross. Yeah, then I did cross multiplication.
Fine. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's into 2 here. So 1 plus 2.
Ma'am, but can you show like if you multiply 1 by 2 into x and then 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? Like
Yeah, we'll
that.
work it like that. Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay.
Shriya and Sai Smriti, am I clear here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, please write down, children. Why do you use it like below? Done writing, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine.
Ma'am, I did the way like I multiplied 1 by half into x like that, and I got still the same answer.
Yeah, very good. Yes, children, you shouldn't be taking this long. Finish writing?
Yeah, ma'am, finished writing.
Last line, ma'am. Please wait.
Yes, Netra? No issues. You can use a recording for this explanation, Netra. We just started and we finished this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Netra? No, you're audible, but not clear, Netra. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, it is linear equation.
Yeah, we are continuing. Yes. Linear equations in one variable, word problems. We are continuing from where we stopped in the last class. Yeah. Yes, children. Next one. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Next one. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters, more than twice its breadth. So see here, you can do this in the rough column. Or let me say explanation, okay? The perimeter, its length is, so see here, length is, please watch me right on the screen, children. Length is, meaning S means equal to 2 meters more. So see here, 2 meters more than twice its breadth, Did you watch me write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, I'm doing it again. Its length is means equal to 2 meters more than something. So that something will come here. See, whenever it is 2 more than, 2 less than, 2 more than something. So something is already there, plus 2, or something is already there, minus 2. So 2, its length is 2 more than, 2 meters more than. So 2 meters more than something. So that's something here. So 2 meters more than, so plus 2, more than twice its breadth. So twice its breadth. That something is twice its breadth. So now you should start like this solution. So you can assume the breadth. Okay. So let the breadth of the swimming pool be x meters. Therefore, length is equal to 2b plus 2. That is 2x plus 2 meters. If b is x, if the breadth is x, then the length will be 2x plus 2 meters. Am I clear, children? If you assume the breadth of the swimming pool as x meters, then the length will be 2x, because breadth you've assumed it as x. So 2x plus 2 is the length. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am, you're clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, so we are done with the assumption. We are done with the assumption. Now we'll have to construct the equation. We are given that the perimeter of the pool is given to be 154 meters. So how do we find the perimeter? 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. That's a formula. So 2 into perimeter is given to be 154 meters, which means 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. This is the formula. This is the formula to find the perimeter. So 2 into, what is the length here? Length is 2x plus 2. And the breadth is x is equal to 154. So 2 into, and 2x plus x is 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Then the 2 comes for division. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 by 2. 2 comes for division. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. So 3x is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 by 3 divided by 3, which is 25. So that means the breadth of the pool is 25 meters and its length will be 2 into 25 plus 2. That is 52 meters. Therefore, breadth. Finish writing. You can write on this, children. I'll tell you how to finish it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you finish writing?
No, ma'am, please, ma'am, last line.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you'll have to finish your answer. Therefore,
Yes,
breadth.
ma'am.
Yeah, please complete it like this. Therefore, breadth of the pool is equal to 25 meters. Length of the pool is equal to 2 into 25 plus 2. because 2x plus 2, right? So 2 into 25 plus 2, which is 50 plus 2, 52 meters. X is 25, which means the breadth of the pool is 25 meters. Length is 2x plus 2. So 2 into 25, 50 plus 2, 52 meters.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's fine, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please give me a minute, ma'am.
No, once we understand, children, you just have to write from the screen. So that shouldn't be taking this long.
Done, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 2 by 15 centimeters. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So it's an isosceles triangle. It's given to be an isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. Let's assume that these are the equal sides. Let's name the triangle ABC. Let's assume that these two are the equal sides. So x centimeters each, x centimeters each. The base of the triangle is given to be 4 by 3 centimeters. The measure is 4 by 3 centimeters. It's not 4/5 of some, it's not 4/3 of something. Please disable your mic.
Ma'am, I
It's not
actually joined through my mom's phone and she's getting a call. So may I join after a few minutes?
Yeah, sure, Aishwarya, yes. So it's not 4/3 of something, children. The length of the base is 4 by 3 centimeters. This is the value. It's not 4/3 of something. 4 by 3 centimeters. So we know that in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The measure of the equal sides not given. So we have assumed them to be x centimeters each. The base is given to be 4 by 3 centimeters. So let each of the start writing, children.
Mom, I got the answer as 21 upon 15
Okay, let's see.
centimeters.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got 8 by 5.
It's yeah, you can check with my working and see where they've gone wrong. Else your task.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so children, please listen. So I've called the triangle ABC. I've called the isosceles triangle ABC with equal sides AB and AC. I've marked it here. See here. I've marked the equal sides AB and AC. And we'll assume that the length of the equal sides AB and AC is equal to X centimeters each. So in our figure, BC is the base and the length of the base is given to be 4 by 3 centimeters. So I've marked off that. So the base BC 4 by 3 centimeters given in the question. AB, AC equal sides not known. We have assumed them to be X centimeters each. Okay. So now we are done with the assumption. We have named our triangle and we have the lengths of all the three sides. So AB and AC not known. X, BC is 4 by 3. So we're done with the assumption. Next is constructing the equation. For that, we have this information. Perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeters. So write that perimeter of the triangle is equal to 4 2 by 15 centimeters. Now, perimeter here is not 2 into L plus B, children. Don't get confused. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. This is perimeter of a triangle. The sum of the three sides. Sometimes, just by mistake, you may write 2 into L plus B. Be careful. Perimeter of a triangle, sum of the three sides. So AB plus AC plus BC, any order you can add, AB plus BC plus AC, any order is equal to 62 by 15. So substituting X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15 plus 4 by 3 becomes minus 4 by 3 on transposing LCM. We get 42 by 15 and 2 is in multiplication in the left hand side. So it comes for division, meaning it becomes its reciprocal. 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2 on the other side. 2 by 1 it is. 2 is 2 by 1. It becomes 1 by 2 on the other side. And then simplify. I got 7 by 5. On cancelling 2 and 42. And then, this 22, 21 and 15, I got 7 by 5. So the lengths of AB and AC is equal to 7 by 5 centimeters each.
Ma'am, I've done the cancellations wrong. The 42 by 15 into 1 by 2.
Okay.
For
Okay.
7 by 5, I've written 8 by 4.
Okay, fine. Yes, children. 2 minutes, move on to the next slide, children. You have to
Done, ma'am.
increase, I think, your speed of writing. Done, children?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one number exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So see here. Please look at your screen. Sum of two numbers. That means one number plus other number. One number plus other number is equal to 95. Sum of two numbers. So that means one number plus other number is 95. So supposing you call that one number as x plus the other number is equal to 95. So what is the other number in terms of x? Other number will be 95 minus x. So this you can do in the rough column, or you can just write it as a part of your answer. It's not wrong. Okay. But it's enough if you start from here. See, if you want, you can show this as a part of your answer, children. Otherwise, you can do this in the rough column and start from here. From what I'm going to write here in solution. Okay, so from this, let one number be x. Therefore, the other number is equal to 95 minus x. Do you all understand what I'm doing? See, sometimes we have a doubt as to how to assume. Yeah, we have a doubt as to how to assume if one number is x, is the other number x minus 95, or is it x plus 95, or is it 95 minus x? So you may have these questions. So do it like this. The sum of two numbers is 95. That means one number plus other number is equal to 95. Okay. So if one number is x, so one number is x. So what will be the other number in terms of x? If one number is x, what is the other number in terms of x? So x plus other number is equal to 95. So then the other number, that is if one number is x, then the other number in terms of x will be 95 minus x. So now we understood how to assume. Do that, write that here. So now in the solution, let one number be x. Let one number be x. So the other number is 95 minus x. Children, if you don't understand, like what are you writing here and here, please ask me. You can ask me a question blunt like that, you know, like what is it you're writing here and here? I don't understand. Only if you're like, only if you speak your mind, I can help you better. Don't try to modify the question that comes in your mind. Whatever comes to your mind, just ask me straight away. You don't rehearse as to how to put it. What comes in your mind first, that only is the question. Is it understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So maybe you can do this in the rough column. Or I told you can show this as a part of your answer. So from this, we understand if one number is x, then the other number is 95 minus x. So we're done with the assumption. Now the equation. If one number exceeds the other by 15, that means exceeds means is more than. Exceeds means is more than. Exceeds means is more than. That means one number is more than the other by 15. That means what? One number minus the other number is equal to 15 because this one is more. This one exceeds. That means this is the bigger number. This is the smaller number. And their difference is 15.
Ma'am, how I don't know if one exceeds the other by means exceeds means maximum, no ma'am. I mean, it's like addition, ma'am.
Okay.
I didn't understand the para, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. See, one number, what is given? One number exceeds the other number by 15. Now, tell me which is the smaller number, which is the greater number. That's all. If one number exceeds the other one by 15, is one number the smaller number or the greater number?
One number, ma'am. Greater number, ma'am.
This is the bigger number, right? So this is the bigger number. This is greater. And this is smaller because one number exceeds. So this is the smaller number. Now exceeds means the difference. Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
I just joined right now, so can you just show me the before question?
The previous answer, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll just take a. Hello.
Yeah. I'm listening to you. Yeah, take a
I'll
picture.
just take
Yes.
a screenshot. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
I
did it
can't
in
see your
another way,
screen.
but I got the same answer.
Yeah, 1 second. Aishwarya, yes.
I can't see the screen, ma'am.
Oh, then leave and join Aishwarya.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did the same question, the question number 4, but I did it in another way and got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I
I can see the
haven't still
screen
got
now.
my answers.
Ma'am, okay, so for me, the first number is 40 and the second number is 55.
Okay, fine. So you have assumed the other number to be x and one number as 95 minus x, is it?
No, ma'am. I assumed one
Ma'am,
number to be
I
x,
can see the
another
screen
number
now.
to
Can
be
you just show
x
me the
plus
third
15.
question?
Oh, okay. Yeah. You have used the second part for assumption. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the screen. I'll just take a photo.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm done.
All right. Yeah, I'll do it that way also, Anantika. So somebody was asking me, listen again. Oh, so one number exceeds the other by 15. That means this one number is a greater number. The other number is a smaller one. And exceeds means the difference. Exceeds is something about the difference, right? See, I have 10 more than you, or you have 15 less than me. All that says the difference between two things. See, two things are not equal. That's what it is. Two things are not equal. One is more than the other. That's what it is. Exceeds. That means the two quantities, they're not equal. The two numbers are not equal. If they're not equal, one is big, the other is small. That means difference. If one is big, the other is small, that means difference. So the difference between the two numbers is 15. So you'll have to write the greater number first. The greater number minus the smaller number is equal to 15. What's a greater number? One number. One number is a greater number. So x. Or you can write straight away one number minus other number. One number minus the other number is equal to 15. So what is one number? X minus the other number, 95 minus x, is equal to 15. So x minus 95, minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus, x is equal to 15. Alison?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue. Help me solve this equation.
1 second. Yeah. So x minus 95 plus x equals to 15, right?
Yeah.
So now we have to find the value of x.
Yes.
So x will be equals to
What is x plus x?
2x, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
And
2x.
yeah, take minus 95 to the other side.
So it will be plus 95. So 2x will be equals to 15 plus 95.
Very good. So 2x is equal to?
So 2x will be equals to 15 plus 95, which will be 110.
Yeah. So x is equal to?
110 divided by 2 and 110 divided by 2 will be once again.
Yeah. No problem. You please check if you're getting the same thing. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ariston. So after this, if x is 55, what do you understand? Who's 55? One number or other number?
One number, ma'am.
Yeah, therefore, one number is equal to 55. What about the
55.
other number?
It will be 55 minus 15.
No, look, go back to the assumption. One number is x. What's the other number?
Okay, 95 minus x. So it will be 95 minus 55.
Hmm.
It will be 5 and it will be 35. Right?
40.
45, ma'am.
Not
40,
45.
ma'am.
40.
Yeah, 40. Yeah.
No problem. It happens. Yeah. Write down, children. I'll just write this neatly.
Ma'am, should I write the second method as well?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
We can write that one number greater exceeds the other number.
Yeah, you can just you can just underline or use brackets like I've used and write it on top of that. Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's do this in another way. Now you can also use the the second part, the second half of the question for assumption, this one for assumption, and this one to construct the equation. See the given question, the given question, you must divide it into two parts. Use one for assumption and the other for constructing the equation. So now in this working, I have used this one, the first part of the question for assumption, and I use this one to construct the equation. One number exceeds the other by 15. I use that one to construct the equation. You can do it the other way. See here, alternate solution. Okay, so it's very clear that the two numbers are not equal because one number exceeds the other by 15. One number exceeds the other by 15. So that means the difference between the two numbers is 15. Do we all understand that? One number exceeds the other number by 15. So one number is more than the other number by 15. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can say let one number be x. Therefore, the other number is, if you think x is the bigger number, then the other number should be x minus 15. Or if you think that, again, another alternate solution. Both are correct. You can do it both the way. See, let one number be x.
This one.
Therefore, the other number
Ma'am,
is, yeah.
Netra ma'am, you should take notes of this. Ma'am.
See, it depends. Like if I wait for you to write, yeah, that means you have to write down. Sometimes I explain and then I ask you to write down later. Meaning I normally upload it in the library and I ask you to refer later. Refer meaning write it down later. So it depends. So this class, I think word problems we've been working immediately, right, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all of us have been writing. What have you been doing, Netra?
Ma'am, I'm taking notes of this, ma'am. I'm asking alternate solutions.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you must. All of us must write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So children, look at this. Look at both. Okay. So let one number be x. Now the other number. So if you think this one number is big, that is, this is the bigger number, then the other number will be x minus 15. See, the numbers can be 50 and 35. That is, this is big, this is small, and the difference is 15. Or the numbers can be like 100 and 115, where this is small and this is big. But the difference between them is 15 only. You can see there. The difference between them is 15. Yes or no? 1, 5. The difference between them is 15. One number exceeds the other number by 15. So if you're assuming this bigger number to be x, then what will be the smaller number? 50 minus 15, right? 50 minus 15. So x minus 15. Whatever is the bigger number, minus 15 is a smaller number. If you're assuming the smaller number to be x, then the bigger number will be x plus 15. So it depends on, like what you have in your mind. If you feel, one second. See, when you write, let one number be x. So if you feel this is the smaller number, the bigger number, then the smaller number will be, because this is big according to you, the smaller number will be this number x minus 15. Or if you think that this is the smaller number, x is the smaller number, then the other number is bigger by 15. So the other number will be x plus 15. See, one number exceeds the other number by 15. That means the difference between the two numbers is 15. So if the smaller number is x, the bigger number will be x plus 15. If the bigger number is x, the smaller number will be x minus 15.
Excuse me, ma'am. I had an internet issue because I'm in my hometown right now. So I was actually writing the fourth question, I think the last bit. Can you just show me the picture? Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Children, let me write. I'm going to write the same thing. See, let me write it again. See here, children. Let one number be x. Now, if this is a smaller number according to you, so the other number is the bigger number. And we know that the difference between the numbers is 15, right? So if one number is x, that is the smaller number is x, then therefore the other number will be x plus 15. So if this is small, the bigger number is x plus 15. Or if you say let one number be x, where according to this one number is the bigger one, then the other number, therefore the other number will be this bigger number minus 15. So here we have assumed using the information that the difference between the two numbers is 15. One number exceeds the other number by 15. Now construct the equation. We are given that the sum of the two numbers is 95. Okay. Sum of the numbers is equal to 95. Sum of the numbers is equal to 95. So x plus 15, add the two numbers, is equal to 95. So here x plus x minus 15 is equal to 95. So 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. Here you have 2x is equal to 95 plus 15. So here you have 2x is equal to 80, x is equal to 80 by 2, x is equal to 40. Here you have 2x is equal to 110, x is equal to 110 by 2, x is equal to 55. So okay, here this is the small number you assumed, x. So the bigger number is 40 plus 15, 55. Here x is the bigger number, 55. So the smaller number is 55 minus 15, 40. You'll get different answers for x in both the working, but the two numbers will be the same. The values of x will be different, but the two numbers will be the same. The two numbers are 40 and 55. In both the cases, the two numbers are 40 and 55. Therefore, one number is equal to 40. Other number is equal to x plus 15. So 40 plus 15, 55. 40 and 55. Therefore, one number is equal to 55. Other number is equal to x minus 15. So 55 minus 15, which is 40. So the two numbers are 40 and 55, or 55 and 40. Right on, children? So I think we've been doing word problems for the last, including this 3 classes. So next class on Wednesday, I think will be, your turn to share the answer with me. So get prepared, children. Go through all the word problems so we have seen in the classroom and be the first to answer in the next class. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Finished writing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, I think these are easy. You can. Let me come from behind. The organizers of an essay. So children, I just want to show you this. Did you visit the portal recently, children? Anytime recently?
ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Did
ma'am.
anyone notice that I had that I've uploaded the NCRT answers to exponents? No?
Yes, ma'am. I'm checking right now, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I cannot understand clearly, ma'am, what you told before.
No, I'm showing you now. Can you see my screen? I'm logging into the portal. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah. So you will be able to see these four, these four courses: exams, library questions, library answers, and study material. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, these are the four things that will be visible to you. You cannot see all of these. You can see only these four: CBSE-VIII exams, library questions, library answers, and study material. So in library answers, I just uploaded the answers to all the four the answers to all the four homework given on exponents. The last one, no, children, see, I don't remember what instructions I gave. See here, I have uploaded all the answers. I have uploaded the answers to all the four assignments on exponents, children. You can go and visit. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's ready. And you can also, in the study material, when you click on study material, you will see that, yeah, you will see the answers to all the, questions from NCRT, exercise 12.1 and 12.2. You can use this to zoom in. Look at this icon here. You can just tap on this to zoom in. Yeah. So you can see here, exponents and powers, examples in exercise 12.1 NCRT. Okay, so first question, first answer, question. So see, why do I do this? Because you can, I don't want you to see the answer straight away. So you can see the question and then try it yourself and then check if you're right. So that's why question alone and then question and answer. Now the next question, you will see only the question. So you can read the question and try it yourself and then check with the answer here. Next question. You can work them and then check your answers one by one. So this is, okay, 1 minute. This is example 4. There are 4 subdivisions. In example 4, there are 4 subdivisions. So you can see all the 4 subdivisions. Now, this is the first subdivision. Example 4, first subdivision. You can see the first one here. You can try it yourself. And then you can check with the answer here. Or if you've forgotten, you can go through this and recall. So like this, you will see all the examples, answers to the examples, exercise, answers to the exercise questions. Okay. Similarly, you can see the second exercise. Yeah, study material. This is exercise 12.2. Zoom in or full screen. You can see here. Exponents and powers, examples and exercise 12.2 NCRT. So this will always be here, children. You can always come here. So this is like, a mobile library. Anywhere you are. If you have your gadget, that's enough. You need to know your credentials. It's enough if you have a phone or, your tablet, whatever. You just need to know your credentials. So you can study on the go. You're traveling. You don't want to waste time. You want to do something. You can just log into the portal and revise. You can go through the answers. So like this again. Examples and exercise 12.2. All right, children? Any questions? Any doubts? Okay. So like this, you will find for every chapter. I'm preparing, so it takes a little time for me because I have to do for all the standards from 6 to 10. So you just have to cooperate. Now exponents are available, so you can practice this. So slowly I'll put up everything, rational numbers, linear equations, only NCRT answers. The others which I work from other books and question banks, that you have to maintain neatly in your tuition classwork notebook. That you will not find here. In the library, you will see in the library, meaning in the portal, in your courses, you will have answers to all the chapters in NCRT. Okay. So as in when we cover a chapter, I'll be, uploading the answers to that particular chapter from NCRT. So that will always be there in, in the portal. Then the assignment questions. And once you're done with the assignment, I'll also share the assignment answers in the portal. And of course, your exams, you'll find there. Exams after taking up, you can go back and visit the exams. Like, see, now, say you've completed an exam, but you want to visit the questions and answers in it, you can go back there. You cannot take the exam, but you can view it. You can see the questions and answers. So I can see everybody's children, but your portal will be different. Let me log in from somebody's. I'll just use Anintika's. Okay. Yeah. So contents. You can see the exam. So this here, it's not taken up. The exam is not taken up. So let me just start and end it. And I'll submit the exam, okay? Yeah. So now when you come back, See here, can you see answers here, children? Can you see answers here?
Yes, ma'am.
Just tap on that and you can see. You can see the question. I have not answered anything. Otherwise, you will see the option you have selected and you'll also see the correct answer. You can
Ma'am,
come
when
back.
was this test given?
Oh, I did not inform you, is it?
Yes.
You didn't do this, children? You didn't attempt this? This is on solving equations.
Ma'am, when was this given? I don't quite remember, so.
Oh, let me, no, I
I'll
don't
just
remember.
check if I've done the test. 1 second.
Okay, so let me finish. So like this, you can come and visit the answers here. You can again, visit the question paper and see the correct answers.
Oh, ma'am, this test is done before itself.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I didn't know. Ma'am, will we be having any other test? Like,
Yeah. Yes. Many are on the way. Yes, I'll let you know.
Sure, ma'am.
All right, children, getting back. Can you see question number 16? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. So the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of 25 rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. I'll read the question again. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100. If you're a winner, then you get 100 rupees. See, now this is not to be confused. It is not that there's going to be only one winner. Maybe they have made groups. Okay, so maybe 63 students. They have made some groups of like maybe five or six groups. Each group need not have the same number of students. Each group need not have the same number of students. Maybe the first group, has children below, say, like 8 years. Below 8 years, and this could be like 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, something like that. So then each group there'll be a winner, right? There'll be a winner in every group. Every group there'll be a winner. So not to be confused with one competition and one winner and all are losers. Not like that. So the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100. So if you're a winner, you get 100 rupees. And a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize money distributed is ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Okay. So let the number of winners be equal to X. Now, what do we understand? Winners plus participants is equal to 63, right? Okay, let me write that as the explanation. Number of winners plus number of participants. Number of participants is equal to 63. Okay, non-winners, how do I write that? How do you write number of non-winners? I don't know if it's right to say non-winners, but I'll just that we are. It's enough if we understand. I don't want to write losers. Okay, so number of winners plus number of non-winners. It's okay. It's okay. We understand what it means. Number of winners plus number of non-winners is equal to 63. If you call the number of winners as X plus number of non-winners is equal to 63. So number of non-winners will be what? Will be?
63.
Yeah. 63?
Minus X.
Minus X.
Minus X.
Minus X. So this is the explanation. Remember this. Now you can start your solution like this. Let the number of winners be X. Therefore, number of participants who are not winners, number of participants who are not winners, will be 63 minus X. So what is the amount distributed to? Amount distributed or amount given to each winner, children. What is the amount given to each winner?
100.
Rupees
ma'am.
100.
Yeah,
Rupees
amount given
100.
to, yeah, each winner is equal to rupees 100. So what is the amount distributed to the winners? Amount distributed to the winners will be what? What will be the total money?
Plus X.
100?
Sorry, 100 into X. 100X.
Yeah. See, supposing there are 15 winners, each of them get 100 rupees. So the total money distributed to the winners will be 15 into 100, 1500 rupees. Each one is given 100 rupees.
It is repeated addition, so.
Yeah. Each winner gets 100 rupees. Supposing eight winners, each one gets 100 rupees. So the total money distributed to the winners is equal to 8 into 100, 800 rupees. So in the same way here, amount given to each winner is 100 rupees. How many winners? X. So the amount distributed to X winners will be rupees 100 into X, 100X. Yes or no? How many winners? X. What is the money given to each winner? 100. So what is the total money distributed to the winners? 100 into X. Yeah. Next. What is the amount given to a participant who is not a winner? Amount given to a participant who is not a winner. How much? 25 rupees.
25
So how
rupees.
many participants but not winners? 63 minus X. So amount distributed to participants who are not winners will be equal to 25, that is rupees 25 into 63 minus X. So what is this? 25 into 63, 25 into 63, 15y7, 315, 1575. Please check that. Minus 25x. Is this understood? Amount distributed to participants who are not winners. is equal to 25 into 63 minus x. So 25 into 63 is 1575 minus 25 into x is 25x. Now the total money given away is 3,000 rupees. Total money or total prize money distributed. Total prize money distributed is rupees 3,000. So how much did the winners get? 100x. And how much did the participants who are not winners get? 1575 minus 25x. The money put together, this one and this one put together, is 3,000. This is the equation. We need to solve this equation and find the value of x. And hence find the winners and non-winners. Yeah, complete this, children.
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Can I request students to first write and then I can explain again. Let's complete it. Yeah, please write down, children. We'll do it again. I'll make a table so that it will be more clear. All of us will understand. Please write down first, children. Done writing this, children?
Just a second, ma'am.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please disable your mic, children.
Ma'am, I got
Yeah.
19, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I'm getting the same answer, ma'am. 19.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Then that should be the correct answer. What's the value of x? X is 19, you're saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
X plus 19, ma'am.
Yeah, even I'm getting 19. Yeah, even I'm getting the same answer. X is equal to 19. So number of winners, that means, therefore, number of winners is equal to 19. And number of non-winners, that is participants but not winners, is equal to 63 minus 19, correct? Which is 44.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, number of participants who are not winners is equal to 44. So the first thing is to read the question and retain that information in your mind. Every time you cannot go back to the question. So now you should have read the question 2-3 times and you should have understood the question clearly. Okay, let's try to recall now. So I'll make a table. Let me write and then make the table. Sorry.
Should we draw the table in a note as well, ma'am?
Just see, I think it should be useful. Let me finish and then answer that question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep. So children, how many winners? X, correct? And how many participants but not winners? 63 minus X. This is understood, right? How many winners?
Yes, ma'am.
How many winners? X. How many participants but not winners? 63 minus X. Okay. What's the prize money given to each winner? Rupees 100. What is the prize money given to
100.
each participant but not a winner? 25 rupees.
25.
So what is the total money distributed among the winners? So if there are 5 winners, each of them get 100 rupees. So the total money distributed among the winners is 5 into 100, 500. If there are 8 winners, 8 into 100, 800. This is the total money distributed among the winners. Here we do not know the number of winners. X it is. So it will be X into 100. X into 100. So the prize money distributed among the winners is X into 100. Like we do 5 into 100. When you know the number of winners, 5, 8, 10, 20, it's 5 into 100 or 8 into 100. Similarly, here it is X into 100. X into 100, which is 100X. So the prize money is 100X, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And here the prize money distributed among the non-winners is 25 into 63 minus X. Because again, if the number of non-winners says 30, non-winners 30, How much are we giving each non-winner? 25 rupees. So the total money distributed among all the participants who are not winners will be 30 into 25. Each of them get 25 rupees and totally there are 30. So 30 into 25. In the same way here, how many non-winners? 63 minus X. How much are we giving each one of them? 25 rupees. How do you find out the total money distributed among all these people? Multiply. So it is 25 into 63, which we got 1575 minus 25 into X, which is minus 25X. Now the equation is the total prize money given away to the winners plus the total prize money given away to the participants who are not winners adds up to or sums up to 3,000 rupees. That's the equation. Upon solving, we get X is 19. That means 19 winners, 63 minus 19, 44 participants, but not winners. You can check now. You can now check. See here. 19 winners. So 19 into 100 is 1900. And 44 participants, but not winners into 25. So that will be 1100. Yeah, 1100. You can multiply. So now see, this is 3000. So X winners, each one gets rupees 100. The total prize money given is rupees 100x. Rupees 100x. 63 minus X non-winners, each one gets rupees 25. Total money given away there is rupees 25 into 63 minus X, which is rupees 1475 minus, sorry, 1575. 1575 minus 25x. So this is to the winners, this is to the non-winners. So 100x, the equation is 100x plus 1575 minus 25x. The total money is 3000. This is the equation. Understood, children? Now, Gayatri, you can ask me your question.
No, ma'am, this by this I got clear, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. So you can make a table like this. You can make a table like this. Need not be so big, huh? Sorry. That's why I normally write and then make the table, because I can't gauge how big the table should be. So you can just write it like this and then make the table. Disable your mic, children. Yeah. And you can make another box here and add. You don't have to put the rupees everywhere. The total is 100x plus 1575 minus 25x. This is the total, which is equal to 3000. This one is equal to 3000. Correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Anantika, Sai Smriti, Shreya, Harsha, Lakshana. Netra. Gayatri is there. Aishwarya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah. Okay. Harsha and Lakshana, I think the most quiet girls in this class. Am I clear, girls? You don't ask anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshana and Harsha,
Yes, ma'am.
comfortable with all the answers following, right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm following.
Okay. Look at this one. I have a total of rupees 300. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupee 1, rupees 2, and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? So rupee 1, don't write children, rupee 1, rupees 2, and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupee coins. So the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The number of 5 rupee coins. So if the number of 2 rupee coins is X, the number of 5 rupee coins will be, sorry, if the number of 5 rupee coins is X, if the number of 5 rupee coins is X, then 3 into X will be the number of 2 rupee coins. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So if you have X 5 rupee coins, then the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3 times that. 3 into X. If you have X 5 rupee coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how many coins? We don't know. So if you have X 5 rupee coins, then you have 3X 2 rupee coins, 3 times the number of this one. 2 rupee coins. So totally how much you have? That is the 2 rupee coins and the 5 rupee coins put together, you have 4X. But how many coins are there in all? 160. So 160 minus 4X will be the number of 1 rupee coins. 160 minus 4X will be the number of 1 rupee coins. Because totally how many coins are there? 160. 160 coins are there in all. How many 1 rupee coins? You don't know. How many 1 rupee coins? You don't know. How many 2 rupee coins? 3X. How many 5 rupee coins? X. Totally how many coins? 160. So how many 1 rupee coins? We don't know. Plus 4X is equal to 160. So number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 160 minus 4X. We're going to see the same thing again. We're going to see the same thing again. So it's given that number of rupees 2, that is 2 rupee coins, is equal to 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So if the number of 5 rupee coins is X, then 3 into X is the number of 2 rupee coins. Number of 2 rupee coins. So how many 5 rupee coins? X. How many 2 rupee coins? 3X. So totally, what is the total of the 2 rupee coins and the 5 rupee coins? 4x. How many coins are there in all? 160. 160 minus 4x will be the number of 1 rupee coins. 160 minus 4x. This is not 156x. It's not 156x. 160 minus 4x is 160 minus 4x. They're unlike terms. You cannot subtract them. So we have 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins, and 5 rupee coins. We have 160 minus 4x 1 rupee coins. We have 3x 2 rupee coins, and we have x 5 rupee coins. So what's the total value of all the 1 rupee coins? You will have to multiply this. What's the total value of all the 2 rupee coins? Multiply this. What's the total value of all the 5 rupee coins? Multiply this. So you get some answers here. When you add, so this is the value of all the 1 rupee coins, value of all the 2 rupee coins, value of all the 5 rupee coins. Their sum will give you the total value of rupees 300. Somewhat understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Because all I've told you, number of, now if supposing you have 2 rupee, you have 25 2 rupee coins, 25 2 rupee coins. So what's the value of money you have? 25 into 250 rupees. The denomination into the number of coins. The denomination into the number of coins will be the total value of money you have in that particular denomination. So 5 rupee coins, you have 3. You have 3 5 rupee coins. So the value of all the 5 rupee coins is 15 rupees. Okay. Fine, children. So let's start working now. Lie down along with me.
Ma'am, just a second.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we should also copy the rough work, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. One second.
Ma'am, how did you get 7x by adding 6, 5, and 4?
Try to do it.
Ma'am, I got 15.
That's minus 4x, no?
Oh, right. Right, sorry.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm done. May I be excused for a few minutes?
Sorry?
Ma'am, I'm done with the answer. May I just be excused for a few minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Just a second, children. Yeah, children. So tell me, children, in this question, tell me the different denominations we have. Tell me the different denominations we have. ₹1, then
Rupees 2.
Rupees 2
ma'am.
and rupees 5, ma'am.
₹2 and ₹5. Okay. What is the total number of coins? All these are coins, not notes. ₹1 coins, ₹2 coins, and ₹5 coins. How many ₹1 coins? Not known. How many ₹2 coins? Not known. How many ₹5 coins? Not known. But what is the total number of all the coins?
300.
4x.
Sorry, ma'am. 160.
160. The total number of all these coins is 160. The total number of all these coins is 160. Now, what is given? The number of ₹2 coins is 3 times the number of ₹5 coins. Here, number of ₹2 coins. Okay, ₹2 coins, rupees, oh God, ₹2 coins is 3 times the number of ₹5 coins. So call this as X. So 3 into X. What is 3 into X? The number of ₹2 coins. The number of ₹2 coins. Correct? Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let the number of, so we start like that. Let the number of ₹5 coins be X. Let the number of ₹5 coins be X. So the number of ₹2 coins is 3 times that. So 3X. Now we know that there are 160 coins and all. Of that, 3X plus X is the total of the ₹2 and ₹5 coins. So we want to know how many ₹1 coins. We don't know how many ₹1 coins, but we know 3X ₹2 coins and X ₹5 coins. And the total number of coins, see, this is the total of the number of coins. This is the total value of money. 300 is the total value of money. 160 is the total number of coins. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many coins you have? You have 160 coins. But what is the value of all the 160 coins? 300 rupees. So how many ₹1 coins we have? We don't know. How many ₹2 coins? 3X. How many ₹5 coins? X. What is the total number of all these coins? 160. So the number of ₹1 coins is equal to 160 minus 4x. That is 3x plus x is 4x and minus 4x. So that's how we get this 160 minus 4x. So we got, see, we have the denominations or we have the number of coins. So next we'll have to multiply and find the respective value of money. We have the number, we have the denominations and we have the number of coins. So we need to multiply and find the value of money. So we have 160 minus 4x, 1 rupee coins. So the value of money will be the product, which is 160 minus 4x itself. You have 3x 2 rupee coins. So the value will be the product 6x. And you have x 5 rupee coins. So the value is the product 5x. We always multiply. So you take an example. If you have a question as to why you have to multiply. So you have 5 rupee coins. You have 8 5 rupee coins. If you have 8 5 rupee coins, what's the value of money you have? 5 into 8, 40 rupees. So the same thing here. So by multiplying, we got the value of money. The value of money. Now add everything. Add all this 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x. So this is the total value of money. This is the total value of money. And that is given to be 300. That is why we equate it to 300. This is the total value of money. And that is given to be 300 rupees. So now on solving this, you get the value of x. And once you get x, so x is 20. And then you can find the others. So x is 20. That is the number of 5 rupee coins is 20. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3x. So 3 into 20, 60. And the number of 1 rupee coins is 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4 into x, 4 into 20, 80. 160 minus 80, which is 80.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's written. Ma'am, will you be doing more questions today?
No, 1 second. Yeah. All of you finished writing?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now this is a test. We'll take up this test and wind up the session for today. The others I'm not doing, but I'll upload the answers in the portal. So you'll have to help yourself. They will be easy for you. After having understood so many sums from word problems in linear equations, the others must be easy for you. So with this, I'll wind up this exercise 12.2 and then go, not 12.2. I think this is 2.2. Yeah, this is a test question, children. Do this. This is very simple. You can finish it faster. Yeah, you can fill this table. Write down the question and fill this table to get the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer? Meaning, what's the value of x?
Ma'am, I got as 1000.
X is 1000. Okay, fill in the boxes for me, Anantika. This box.
Ma'am, so the number of 100 notes would be, it's in the ratio 2:3:5. So 2x,
Hmm.
then 3x, and then 5x.
Okay.
So 100 into 2x is equal to 200x. Then 50 into 3x is equal to 150x.
No, I'll write what you just said. 1 minute. Yeah. Rupees 100 into 2x, which is rupees 200x.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Then 3 into 50x, sorry, yeah, is equal to 150x.
Okay.
Then 50x. 50 into 10 is 10
Yeah.
into 5x. Yeah.
Hmm.
So the
The
total
total
value
value?
would be 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to the total cash with Lakshmi.
Yeah. So what's the total of this column? Rupees?
So the total would be rupees 400x.
Yeah. And what is this 400x is equal to? What is the total value of money with Lakshmi?
Okay.
Total
4
cash
lakhs.
with Lakshmi.
4 lakhs.
Yeah. Total cash with Lakshmi is equal to
4 lakhs
followed by,
upon,
yeah.
upon 400.
So that means 400x is equal to 4 lakhs.
Yeah.
So x is
Ma'am,
equal
I
to
got a answer, ma'am.
very good.
4 lakhs upon 400. So you cancel the 2 zeros. 4 ones are 4 thousands are. So x is equal to 1000.
Very good. So the number of?
Yeah. So 2x. So 2 into 1000. 2000.
Yeah. So the number of?
Yeah. So we just keep multiplying, and then if you want to check, we just add them, and it should come to 4 lakhs.
Yeah. So the number of rupees 100 notes is equal to 2x. So 2 into 1000, which is 2000. Number of rupees 50 notes is equal to 3x, which is 3 into 1000. 3000. Number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5x. 5 into 1000. 5000. Very good.
Got the same answer.
Yeah. I know that though Anantika was the first to finish, most of us would have got it right. Any doubt here, children?
No, ma'am.
If you have not finished,
No,
if you have not finished working the answer, please take a screenshot and complete it. Take a picture to complete it later, children.
Ma'am, so I just have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so the total cash with Lakshmi, it's not the number of denominations.
The total cash with Lakshmi is not the total number of notes with Lakshmi. It's the total value of money with Lakshmi.
Okay, yeah, that's all.
Because it's given total cash. Cash is money.
Yeah.
Money, yeah. Total cash with Lakshmi, and it's given rupees 4 lakhs. But
Yes,
if it is the number of notes, it will not have. It will not come with a unit.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yeah. Okay. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. If you have any questions, you can stay back and ask me.
No
Yeah,
questions,
that's it for
ma'am.
today's
Thank you.
All right. That's it for today's session,
Bye.
children. Thank you. You may leave the call. Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, children. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, children. Good night.